What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Svenson here. Today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is still stuck in the downward sloping price channel. We're actually sitting right at the heartline of the price channel, and we're going to be going over that. We're going to be going over what we need to look out for on the daily chart and what we need to look out for on the weekly chart. And before we get started, you guys are going to want to click that link below and sign up for the CryptoWatch platform. CryptoWatch is actually the only platform that I use because it's the only platform that I need to use. I can chart, I can trade, and I can do literally everything that I need to do all from one platform. So you're going to want to click that link below right now and sign up for the platform. Now let's get started on the Bitcoin analysis. Right now, I'm looking at the daily chart, and we can see that in the year of 2019, Bitcoin has really only gone in two directions. We've had an upward sloping price channel and a downward sloping price channel, and that is literally it. We've seen higher lows and higher highs, and then we had this shift below the parabolic trajectory, and then we saw lower lows and lower highs. Now, the break of the parabolic trajectory was actually quite obvious. If you guys have been watching my channel since June or July, this area right here, once we broke below the parabolic trajectory and we had an obvious break below the upward sloping parabolic support line, this is when we started to call for lower prices. This is when that prediction came into play, where I was looking for a test back to the 618 golden retrace. If you guys were watching my channel pretty much all summer, we were talking about prices like 7,500 and the golden retrace, and we did actually hit that level. We got a major bounce off that level, but of course the Bitcoin market did see a lot of selling and continued bearish sentiment, and we actually continued to stay within the downward sloping price channel. Bitcoin has only made lower highs on the macro trend. We have not diverged out of this price channel. We have not seen higher highs in the Bitcoin market from the macro perspective. So as of right now, really nothing has changed. Bitcoin is just continuing the downtrend. So of course, guys, what we're looking for right now is a move out of this price channel, right? In order to get a major move in the Bitcoin market, I mean, we're gonna have to see Bitcoin either break below the downward sloping support or the downward sloping resistance. Right now, we're sitting right at the heart line of the downward sloping price channel. So looking a little bit closer at the downward sloping price channel and the heart line, the heart line of the price channel here, we've actually used it as resistance in this area. We've used it as a little bit of support in this region. We've used it as resistance in this area right here, and we've also used it as resistance right now. The heart line of the channel is a pivot point, at least in the short term. Because we're sitting right in the middle of our channel, it's pretty hard to predict exactly where Bitcoin is going to go. I mean, even if we do get a test to the upside towards the $8,000 level, that could just be a continuation of the channel. If we start to test lower down towards the 6,000 level, we could just, continue within this channel again. Now, of course, a lot of my viewers who watch this channel want me to tell them what the market's going to do. They want me to say that Bitcoin's going to go up. They want me to say that Bitcoin's going to go down, and they want me to confirm that I'm bullish or confirm that I'm bearish. But to be honest, guys, I'm actually quite neutral. All I can say, though, is that historically, when you rally out of a bear market and you pull back, when you have that initial pullback, historically, this is a great zone to be buying Bitcoin for the long term. Historically, we always see Bitcoin rally off of this point, but also historically, we never break below the 21-week EMA. This is something that Bitcoin never does, and this is something that we always see Bitcoin do. When we are exiting a bull market and going into a bear market, we break below the 21-week EMA. So it's quite interesting. Bitcoin is behaving a lot different than all other cycles right now. So it's a pretty tough call at the moment. But the thing is, I do know what I'm looking for here, guys. I do know what I'm looking for. It's just hard to make a call right now. I know that breaking above the 21-week EMA and holding above the 21-week EMA is a very bullish sign. But also, in getting rejected off the 21 EMA or continuing to see lower lows is obviously very bearish. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to sign up with the CryptoWatch platform by clicking that link below right now, and I will see you all in the next video.